In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize Trello boards into categories. Start by opening Trello and logging into your account. Once you're in, the first thing you want to do is create the categories that will hold your boards. In Trello, these categories are called workspaces, and they're a simple way to group related boards together so your account feels much cleaner and easier to manage. To do that, click your profile avatar. From there, choose Create Workspace. You'll be asked to enter a workspace name, so type in the name of the category you want to use, then click Continue. A good way to name these is by the type of work or area of life the boards belong to. For example, you might create separate workspaces for marketing, personal, and projects. The exact names are up to you, but the goal is to make each workspace broad enough to hold related boards without becoming confusing. Keep repeating this process until you've created all the workspaces you need. This is an important part of the setup, because once your categories are in place, moving boards into the right section becomes quick and straightforward. Next, open a board you want to organize. When you're inside that board, click the three-dot icon to open more options. Then go to Settings. In the Settings area, look for the Workspace section. Click on the current workspace, and you'll get the option to change it. Select the workspace you want to move that board into, then click Change to confirm. That board is now sorted into the category you chose. From here, just repeat the same process for the rest of your boards. Open each board, go to the three-dot menu, choose Settings, change the workspace, and confirm. As you do this, your Trello account will start to feel much more organized because each board will now live inside the category that makes the most sense. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. As you finish sorting everything, try to stay consistent with how you group your boards. For example, keep work-related boards together, personal planning boards together, and project-specific boards in their own workspace if needed. That consistency makes it easier to find things later and helps avoid clutter as you create more boards over time. Once you've moved all your boards into the right workspaces, you're done. Your Trello setup is now organized into clear categories, which makes navigation simpler and helps you stay focused. Congratulations! And that's it for this tutorial.